Hey there, hope you're doing excellent today. So in this video, I want to show you how you can easily make $100 and more daily by flipping phones. All right, let's go. Let's go. Hey there, my name's Sergio with Surge Tech. In this channel, I do a lot of tech reviews and I also talk a lot about making passive income. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell to receive notifications on my videos. And there's going to be links to all the information that I talk about in this video in the description down below. So check that out. All right, let's get on with the video. All right, so if you're watching this, you're probably interested in learning how to make money on a daily basis and learning how to make over $100 a day or more in the phone business. So in this video, I'm going to be going over how to make money buying and selling phones for profit. So when it comes to buying and selling anything to make profits, the most important thing is where to get that product that you're trying to buy or sell, in this case phones, where to get it at the cheapest prices possible. So that's the first thing that I'm going to cover in this video. So in order to get cheap phones, what you want to do is you want to focus on getting phones from people or customers that no longer need them, that have maybe upgraded to newer phones, or maybe they just need the money and they want to get rid of their phones, or maybe not necessarily get rid of them, but they need cash, so they're willing to let it go for less than what they paid for them, just because of the situation that they are in. So what we're going to do is we're going to place free ads. You're not going to have to pay for any of this. It's all free. You're going to place free classified ads on websites like Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, and you can also create free listing on Google Maps and Apple Maps as well. So with all these listings and classified ads that you're going to be posting, the classified ads on Facebook, Craigslist, and OfferUp, you will have to maintain them on a daily basis. Make sure that they don't get too far down in the search, because then people won't see your ads. So on a daily basis, you may have to go in there and renew the ad so that you stay ahead of all the other ads, so that everybody sees your ads first. When you create a Google or Apple Maps, that is a one-time effort that you have to put in to create the listing. And then once it's live on there, it will be on there forever until you decide to take it out. So you're going to create simple ads on classified ads, like I mentioned, and you're going to put on there that you buy phones, that you buy iPhones, buy Androids, used, new, broken. Put as much information on there as you possibly can so that people can see, everything that you're interested in buying. You can also buy laptops, game consoles, but mainly stick to phones as they have a higher demand and they sell quicker. So by placing these ads on a daily basis, you will already begin to get phone calls in. Obviously, you're going to place your phone number on the ad and your email will be on there. So you'll be getting emails and phone calls from these ads, people that want to sell you their devices. There's also clearance distributors that sell electronics and pallets, and you can also go to places like Walmart's and Best Buys and speak to the managers there and get to the head of sales and inquire about how to buy their returned goods, because these big retailers have a department where they actually resell their returned goods, and you can actually buy these from these big retailers in bulk quantities. So this is going to take more money, but this is once you get your head in the game and you have more money to invest, you're able to go to these retailers directly and buy their returned goods at cheaper prices. So next thing you're going to do is you're going to want to create a nice professional website where you have all the information and text on there so that you can rank on SEO on Google and Apple Maps, and you're going to display all the information on there on the service you're providing, which is buying used and secondhand phones, and you're going to type in as much information as possible so that you can rank higher on the search engines and on the map. And this is going to bring in a ton of phone calls and customers into your business as well, wanting to sell you their devices. So once you have all of these classified ads up and free listings on the SEO maps and your website, to put it all together, you're going to want to use a site like gazellecom so that you can base your prices on what you're going to be paying these customers off of. Gazelle.com already has pretty nice prices on there that if you buy it at those prices, you can always resell it and make a profit off of those prices. Another thing you could do to double check is you can go on eBay and check what prices they are selling for, and then make sure that you're paying a minimum $100 below what the sales prices are on eBay, so that you can make sure that you're getting them at good prices. So once it's time to buy the devices, once those phone calls and emails start coming in and you're ready to buy, you're going to want to make sure that you check a couple of things before buying the devices. First off, you're going to want to make sure that the device has a clean IMEI, and you can use a website like checkesnfree.com. All these links that I'm mentioning in this video will be down below in the description. So you can use this website to check the IMEI status on every device. You can check if they're financed, you can check if they're blacklisted or not, and this is something that is crucial before buying a device. Another thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to make sure if it's an iPhone that you remove the iCloud and Find My iPhone, and if it's an Android device, then you're going to want to remove the Google account on it as well, and remove the Samsung account as well if it's a Samsung account, or just make sure that the device doesn't have these accounts on there. And then another thing you're going to want to check is you're going to want to go to the carrier website and check and make sure that the device is not financed, because chances are if it is financed, it might be blacklisted later on down the road once the customer sells you the device. So there's a bunch of free websites where you can check and make sure that the device is not financed either. And another thing to keep in mind, even if the device may be financed or maybe has an iCloud and they forgot their passwords, you can still buy these devices. Just do your research first and make sure you buy it at the right price so that you can always make profit as the end result. So once you have the devices, now it's time to sell. So this is also super simple to sell it. What I recommend is posting it on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp. I prefer these websites because customers will be calling you and they will most likely be paying you in cash. Meet them at a safe location. And like I said, I like these sites because they will pay you in cash and you can get the full asking price for them without having to pay any commissions to any sort of website or anything like that. But there's always a backup. If you're having a little bit of trouble selling it on these classified ad websites, you can always go ahead and sell it on eBay. And on eBay, there's very high chances of it selling as well. But you have to make sure that you price it right on eBay so that when eBay takes their cut and commission of the sale, you will still make the same amount of profit that you wanted to make on the sale. So if you go ahead and use eBay, just make sure that you price it right. Probably going to want to price it a little bit higher, usually about 10 to 15% higher than the actual price that you wanted to sell it to through a classified ads website. And here is another tip. Once you start getting the ball rolling in the flipping phones game, if you have some money saved up, you can start buying phones, like I mentioned, in bulk quantities and get them at cheaper prices. And what you can also do is you can resell these phones to retail stores, in malls, or stores that sell unlocked phones. You can go ahead and refurbish these phones in large quantities and sell them in bulk quantities to other retailing stores and to international exporters as well. A lot of these devices are worth a lot more in other countries. So, a lot of people unlock them, they refurbish them, and they sell them in very big quantities to interested buyers in other countries that own several retail stores and that are in the phone business internationally. So these are all super useful tips for flipping phones. There's going to be more detailed information in the description down below if you were interested in learning more about making money in the phone business. So if you got some value out of this video, go ahead and give it a like. It really helps me out a lot. And that is it for this one. I will see you guys in the next video. And as always, peace.